Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you what a Metamask wallet is and why it is safe to use. Recently crypto and NFTs have blown up and Metamask is a wallet you're going to be wanting to use whether you're new just getting into the crypto space or even if you've been in the space for years. So let's get into it. So this is the Metamask homepage. This is where you're going to be able to get a lot of information on swaps. You've got a support page with frequently asked questions. And they've got many frequently asked questions, but don't worry about these too much because we're going to be making more videos in the future covering these in a lot more depth. They've also got a about page with a team and the careers if you're interested in jobs, and a build page, and then finally you've got the download button. This is how you download MetaMask, and you'll be able to add an extension. It'll be linking in the top right corner here. But I'm not going to be clicking on the extension now because it'll open up my wallet and all my things will be in there. I'm going to be making a new video in the future, coming out soon, that'll explain how to download MetaMask and everything else that goes with it. With that being said, many of you are probably wondering, what is MetaMask and is MetaMask safe to use? And that's what we're going to be covering in today's video. Metamask is the world's biggest and most used decentralized crypto wallet with over 21 million users worldwide that makes interacting with every blockchain much more easier and user friendly. You're able to add, create new wallets as well as adding in your existing wallets from all different blockchains that you may have wallets on. It is used for buying, selling and storing all kinds of crypto coins and NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon Network and Avalanche Chain, being amongst the most popular. It acts as a safe and secure middleman between you and whatever it is you're interacting with, whether that be a decentralized app, connecting to websites through dApps, or purchasing NFTs and many more. So that brings us on to the next topic of, so how do we know MetaMask is safe, trustworthy and reliable? The MetaMask app is in fact very secure and trustworthy. You can be assured that the code source is public and is being audited by lots and lots of very intelligent people and companies. When creating a MetaMask wallet, like I'm going to show you in the next video, you are given a 12-word seed phrase and you need to create a password. This is just 12 random words given to you in any random order. You must write these down and store them in a safe place, as this is the only way someone else can gain access to your account. Unless you get a virus in your computer that allows hackers access to your files or to store your keystrokes, i.e. to see what you're typing. But MetaMask itself is safe. If you use to get a virus in your device, or if you give someone else your seed phrase, that would essentially be your fault. Or if you were to download a fake version of MetaMask with the scammers pretending to be the originals. For those wondering, no, MetaMask does not store your 12-word seed phrase, also known as private keys. In fact, it never even sends them to their servers. So with that being said, I hope the video was helpful. I tried to keep things short and sweet without getting into things too technically about what a MetaMask wallet is and how it's safe, but we covered the basics there. So the next video is going to be how to make a MetaMask wallet, how to set one up, a full tutorial, and also how to use it. We're going to have lots more content coming with a lot of how to do things, what are things and what is things, what's trending and what's not, the overall market conditions and monthly reviews of the main things within the industry, as well as crypto news and meta news. If you're new in the space or a veteran, we're bringing content for both in the future. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe.